Technology in the construction industry continues to advance, and when collections of integrated software are implemented effectively, the results are improved efficiency, safety, and quality. Now and in the future, it's the best way to stay competitive.
There are clients that move from frame to frame in terms of software. So sometimes they have this collection of software applications, but they stick to using only one because they don't know how to utilize the other tools and the other applications to make them more efficient. So we as a company go in, do a discovery to determine how they can be more efficient and more productive with the software. And we have engineers and architects on staff that have years of experience using the software and training that's necessary for other clients to be able to utilize the software. People start to get into silos of using one product. And that one product, you start using other products that can't communicate. But within the AEC collection, something like Recap Photo, Civil 3D, with Civil 3D Autodesk Vehicle Tracking, which allows you to do swept path analysis to determine whether vehicles can travel on a site back and forth within a driveway. From that, using Civil 3D and the ArcGIS connector, now you have everything in the context of the existing environment that you can make better decisions with your design process. GIS fuels BIM and BIM fuels GIS. And the ideal behind it is now you have access from the GIS standpoint of a world atlas of data and layers that you can bring into an existing environment. So for instance, if you had a site plan and you had right-of-way and you had existing utilities, now I could go to a GIS website or, for instance, Autodesk connector for ArcGIS and grab all the existing conditions, all the existing utilities per that area of interest. Bringing that into Civil 3D now allows you to set georeference location for where your building would be.
Project Amelia is a residential construction project that broke ground September 3rd at the Amelia Island Plantation in Northeast Florida. So how has the latest construction technology impacted the development of this project?
So one of the things that is initial in terms of working with Project Amelia is to get a survey done, whether it's a traditional survey or whether you've used a drone to kind of take a scan of the topo. So once the topo is taken, then from that point, now you start to develop, a site plan in terms of where the building may be located. Within Project Amelia, now we're able to establish the corners of the building, where it's going to be located, and from that, how it's going to actually look. So it gives you the ability to see beyond that process, so it reduces errors, reduces time and design in reference to working on a project like Amelia. And we're about building relationships in reference to clients. So within helping those clients get a return on their investment of the software.
So now that Project Amelia is underway, and you know a bit more about the project, when do you think this dream home will be completed? Give us your best guess at our website. And keep watching.